You gonna show us how you cough? Ah, there goes the fake cough. The fake cough is the newest in Sammy's repertoire. We're not sure why he likes to cough so much, but he's decided he likes to cough. You're gonna go back to playing with your feet. Yeah, you have big feet. You have big feet. We're also trying to decide whether or not Sammy's going to have curly hair or if he's just trying to revive the feathered look of the 80s. You have some impressive curliness going on the head up there. But we can't figure out if it just likes to stand up or if it's actually going to be curly. But we still like his feet. Where's your feet, Sammy? Where are your feet? There they go. Where's your feet? That's right. That's right. There's your feet. Yeah. You like to play with your feet, huh? Yeah. You like to play with your feet. Yeah. And kicking those feet. Always kicking the feet. He may want to be a cheerleader. That's one of the sports that we forgot to put on the list. But he's got the splits and the kicks and everything else figured out, too. I don't think we'll put him in a skirt. But we might get him out there doing some jump kicks. Say bye, Sammy. Say bye.